Okay, so this is my Arduino Morse code program. I've entered in the numbers 123 space 456 space 7890. So it's going to go through and display those in Morse code by blinking the LED on the Arduino. Spaces between groups of numbers are given a greater time break than in between numbers that are part of the same word, as per the specifications of Morse code. So if I run this, you can see that it's blinking the Morse code signal for 1, and after it's finished each one, the number comes up in the display window. So it's finished the first group, and now it waits, and now it goes into the second group, starting with 4. Waits again after the second group, and now it's doing 7. And it finishes up with 0.